Begin with 1 pound of ground beef. A 1/4 cup of rice will help bind the meatballs. Salt and pepper for flavor. Ground cumin, a warm smoky spice that gives flavor to Mexican dishes. Garlic powder. Coriander seed gives a citrusy bright flavor. Ground oregano gives an herbal balance to Mexican dishes. A dash of dash. I love this new seasoning. It's a must try. 1 egg to help bind the meatballs. Combine everything gently, otherwise it will result in tough meatballs. Now for the fun part. With clean hands, form the meatballs, but not too large. Cover and refrigerate for about 5 to 10 minutes so they firm up and hold their shape. Dice up about 2 cups of fresh tomatoes if you have them. If not, use tomato sauce. Slice up a potato. This helps naturally thicken the soup. Same for a large carrot. Here's a quick shot of the ingredients we'll be adding to the soup. Add some oil to your pot in preparation to sauté. Add the sliced onion and mashed garlic cloves to sauté. Add a little salt to bring out the moisture and brown evenly. Once the onion and garlic are browned, you can remove them and set them aside for now. Now add your broth to the pot. Retrieve the meatballs from the fridge and carefully add them to the pot. You can make your own tomato sauce to pour in, or you can just add the diced tomatoes. Return the onion and garlic to the pot and add the remaining vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. 1 bay leaf adds a depth of flavor to soups. Just be sure to remove it before serving. Add some ground cumin to the soup. Add a dash of ground celery seed if you don't have fresh celery. The tomato sauce goes in. Notice the color it adds. Cover the meatballs with a little more water until they are submerged. Now cover with the lid and lower the heat to a nice simmer. Look at this, guys. It's done. Now it's time to serve up and taste it. The meatballs are tender and juicy, the broth is rich and comforting, and the veggies add a little sweetness and crunch. Every spoonful feels like a big, tasty hug. I hope you try it, and please share and subscribe for more recipes.